Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to fix chat not working on Roblox. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Roblox is a dynamic platform that immerses users in a variety of mini-games and user-made environments. If you're not being able to use the chat feature on your Roblox application, then here's the first thing you can do. First, make sure to check Roblox servers. Simply go open up a web browser on your mobile device and in the search box, search for downdetector.com. Once you perform your search, you'll end up in this homepage. Search for Roblox application from the list and give it a tap. You can also search for Roblox by using the search bar at the top, type in Roblox in it, and perform your search. If there is any problem going on with the Roblox server, then you'll be able to know with the help of this website. If there is a problem, then you need to wait for the Roblox team to fix the issue, since it is a server-related problem and can't be fixed by yourself. Once the problem has been fixed, you'll be able to use your chat feature back again in Roblox. The next thing you can do whenever you are going through this issue is to restart your system. Press and hold the power switch for your Android device and tap on restart. Once you are done rebooting your system, go back to your Roblox application and see if that fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is to check your privacy settings on Roblox app. Open up your Roblox application and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the main homepage of Roblox, go and tap on the three dots at the bottom right hand corner and from the options tap settings. Now open up the privacy option. Under privacy, scroll down and go to who can message me. Now in the pop-up, select any other option but make sure that no one is not selected. Once you make this change, you can also go and tap on this next option where it says who can chat with me in the app and make sure to select friends. Right under who can chat with me, make sure that you've not selected no one here as well. Tap on everyone, and once you make this change, you can now go back to your main homepage for Roblox. Once you enable the settings, you'll be able to fix your chat not working on Roblox application issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.